Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to easily adjust the brakes on your Cycrown e-bikes. If the disc is dragging on the caliper and making some noise, this is an easy way to do it in less than 5 minutes. So here's my brake and you can hear that it's dragging. So in order to fix that, what I need to do is adjust the brake so it moves in and out and it's centered on the caliper. And to do so, you'll need a 5mm hex tool like this, and you're going to loosen these two bolts here like this. Just loosen them a little bit like this. And now you're going to see that this brake caliper can move in and out. Loosen this a little bit more. So it can move in and out. And now what I want to do is reach up to the handlebars and pull the brake lever so that it centers on the rotor. Now that the caliper is centered on the rotor, go ahead and tighten those bolts down. While holding the brake, now I'm going to release the brake lever. And now if I no longer is the brake dragging and everything is aligned. I'm going to move up to the front and do the same thing. Now the brake caliper is aligned on the rotor. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.